Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we're going to open my winter KND seasonal box. It's definitely not winter yet, but I guess they're just a little on the ball right now. But before we get into that, I am wearing a couple of products I want to talk to you guys about. I also need to mention we've got some weird lighting going on today because it's very dark out for some reason. But on my eyes, I'm wearing the Medusa's Makeup Baked Eyeshadow in Gold. It makes a really, really fun, pretty one eyeshadow eye, which is my forte. Absolutely what I love because I'm lazy. This color is gorgeous and I think it's really, really nice. And the baked eyeshadow formula, as always, is really pigmented and gorgeous and applies really evenly. Doesn't really have a lot of fallout. It's just a solid eyeshadow. So I like this one. I'm also wearing the Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm in the color Pucker, which I think is a nice, just like enhancing balm. It doesn't give a ton of color, but just enough to change your lip shade just a tiny bit, so it's kind of fun. And I think it's really pretty. I like this too. And then on the cheeks, I am wearing the Clover by Cloven Hallow. This is the Glass Slipper Glow Stick Illuminator. This is the one that's sheer with just a little bit of like shimmer. And I will say this, if applied straight to the face, does tend to move around product underneath. So that's not great, but I blended it out with my finger and I think it looked really nice. I don't have a ton of makeup on. It's kind of picking it up. I think it's really pretty, but you just have to be really careful with it. Next time I use this, I'm going to try and use a densely packed brush onto this and then apply that way and see if that helps with disturbing the existing product already on the face. But I do like the way it looks. Application just needs some finagling. So they're doing the card with the code that tells you where to go to see all the product descriptions. I'm going to pull that up and then we will dig into the products. Okay, well, I can't get the website to load with the product information or whatever this linked to. So we're just going to be winging it. How's that sound? That's what we're doing. So the first item I have here is from the Good Patch. I've talked about the Good Patch before. I think they work as well as you want to convince your brain they're working. Pretty much. This is their Calm Patch. So it says it's got 15 milligrams of hemp extract. This is a kind of patch you peel off and wear on your wrist, and whatever it claims the ingredients are doing, they're absorbing in, going through the body, and potentially, in this case, making you calmer. I don't know if that is actually scientifically sound, but we got it. I'll give it a try. I'll use it. Who knows if it'll work. Next we have from Evio Skin the Pink Perspective Hydrogel Eye Therapy. So I guess these are like masks. Here's what the box looks like. So there are 6 sets of the eye gels in here, and you can see the shape kind of through the packaging. I love under eye gels. I think they're so useful. They're probably the most effective type of eye masking product or face masking product you can get because the coolness obviously helps. I love these things. I can't wait to give this brand a try. The next item we have is from Eva NYC. This is the Main Magic 10-in-1 Shine Mask. I obviously dye the crap out of my hair, so I'm always excited to get a new hair mask to try. This is a really heavy mask. There's a lot of product in here and it must be really thick because this has a pretty substantial weight to it. It says it's got argan oil and neem oil. I'm not sure what neem oil is, but the claims are it adds 2 times the shine, reduces frizz, and strengthens. So once again, another product I'm very excited to give a try. So the next product is from Vike. This is the Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Removing Spray or Makeup Melt. Now I want to say there's a product similar to this from One Size. I think I saw Trixie Mattel using it. That kind of got me interested in trying something like this. So I'm really glad to have a similar style product, this remover spray. I can't wait to use this. So we're doing pretty well so far with products that I'm really excited to give a try. So this is, I think I mentioned, from Vike. I've never heard of that brand, but very excited to give this a go and see how it works for me. Next up we have a very seasonal, like dark red but not vampy, just kind of darker than a true red. This is from Mineral Fusion, and it's a nail polish in the color Heartthrob. So that'll be fun. Closer to Christmas. My nails are a hot mess, so they are really in need of redoing. I think I'm doing them tomorrow. But yeah, that color is fun, and I don't think I have had any nail polishes from Mineral Fusion, so it'll be nice to try their brand. Now, I'm pretty sure I've had this product before from Cuccio Somatology. This is the Yoga Pause Peppermint Mist, Peppermint and Sage. This is like a meditation mist. It's just a nice smelling mist that has different essential oils in it. I usually use stuff like this to spray over my bed to make it a nice relaxing, calm environment before I go to sleep. But you can definitely use this, as they state, for like yoga or meditation. I just don't tend to like things in my yoga mat or it's smelling a lot of stuff when I'm working out. But yeah, this was, from what I can remember, perfectly fine, but not super exciting. It's not something I would have repurchased, but I will use it since I have it. Next up, we've got something in a pouch here. Really stretchy pouch. Oh, this is the Foreo. This is the Foreo Mini. So that's pretty cool. I've always kind of wanted to try one of these, but just didn't want to buy it. So that's exciting. I am very jazzed about that. And it's pink, so that's pretty cool. I'll definitely be giving that a try, probably tonight, as long as it's charged. Here is our next item. This is the Self-Care Cuticle Oil in Sandalwood and Sage. This is another Cuccio product, their Botanicals line. So let me get it out of here so I can show you guys. It's in one of these rounded bottles. It's got a pipette dropper. Smells kind of weird. Definitely has an of the earth kind of smell. I am not the biggest fan of cuticle oils. I just constantly forget to use them and I sit around and just get old. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or give this away. We'll see. The next item we have is in this little baggie. I think it says Etika or Etika. And I think it is jewelry. It is jewelry. So it's this gold necklace with like this star pendant. That's actually pretty cute and kind of Christmassy. It's kind of got like a winter snowflakey type of vibe. I like that. I will probably actually keep this. Most of the time I hate when jewelry comes in these kind of boxes because jewelry is like so subjective. Everyone's got different tastes in it, but I think I will actually wear that one. Okay, last product here is this little bag. This is from Lifestyle Accessories, I guess is the brand. I guess. And this is the jewelry cube. I've kind of always wanted to get one of these, but never felt like spending money on it. I had a Sony Clover Lane one in my Poshmark favorites for forever. I just never pulled the trigger on it. But here's what it looks like. So we've got this band up here and a pocket. And then down bottom, in order to keep everything secure, there is a drawstring bag. And even in the drawstring bag, there's different compartments. That's so nice. This is actually a really nice little jewelry case. So I'm very excited about that. I really like that it's malleable too, because I feel like if it was too rigid, it may end up breaking in a suitcase if it got tossed around too much, but I am quite pleased with this. So that is the last item. And I will say for the most part, I think this was a really good box. This doesn't super excite me. This doesn't really excite me. And the patch doesn't excite me. So 3 items out of like, what was that, 10 or 9 or something? Not bad. Not bad at all. I think this was actually a pretty good box in terms of lifestyle items, because sometimes it can be not great if the lifestyle theme is not something you're all that interested in, but I think this one's pretty good. I'm quite pleased with this one. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. I do have a KND box playlist that you can check out on my channel. Be sure to look that up if it's a box you're considering. You could see every KND box that has come out so far. This was only the 5th one, so there's not that many. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you all later. Bye!